everyone! Come with me as I watch a movie about my idol, Michael Jackson. Sobrang idol ko si Michael Jackson. Nangongolekta pa ako lahat ng mga basta tungkol sa kanya. Kahit mga dyaryo. So, nanonood tayo ng movie with Mama. Yay! So happy!
Ating mas pag-ingatan ang ating mga tahanan.
Hello!
Sana ito.
She writes a song.
You think you're brave enough to leave home?
We're not scared.
What is that?
I think it's the rules.
What is that?
Well, not grass, I can tell you that.
Are you coming?
Ma! Tapos na kami manood ng So we're now going home. I enjoyed the movie.
Pwede nyo ba ang turuan? Sino po yung mga... Sige, paano mo ba yan?